Hi, I'm Lara and I'm from Danville, California, and I just got back from the post office, and you're probably wondering why am I so happy about that, but let me show you. I have $1,300 worth of checks here in my hand, and that's for a couple days work from last week. And I discovered the loan signing system after I had been a notary for 10 years. I decided post the COVID pandemic that I couldn't just sit around and wait for the work to show up. I now had to be proactive and start marketing myself. And one of the things that I decided to implement as part of my marketing is to join the loan signing system mentorship group. And what I found by joining that group is I got to learn some new skills. I've made my Google business profile page a lot better by implementing the Q&A process, doing updates every day, and I actually now have 60 five-star reviews, which is just very exciting for me. I also have learned new services like Apostille, and I've added that, so it's helping me generate a better revenue stream. And at first I thought, this is kind of expensive, I don't want to do this, and I was scared to spend money, and then I realized that the mentorship is only, if I just stopped drinking a couple of Starbucks a week and just made my coffee at home, I could actually afford it. And it's been great because I've taken Zoom classes, and I've met new people, and it's just been really great for my whole notary business. The networking has been amazing as well, and Mark always has some fire nuggets that he wants to just drop down on us, and it's just really great. So if you're on the fence about it, just think it's just a couple Starbucks a week that you don't drink that coffee at home, and build that business, and let's go.